Hello everyone. I made some persimmon cookies that I'm going to be taking to my brother's house. For Christmas Eve. And basically I had some persimmons. They're made out of fresh persimmons. I didn't go through the process because you can find all kinds of persimmon cookies online. And I wanted to show you how you cooled them. You see this rack? I mean, you can get it pretty much anywhere. This is a nice rack where you can cool them. I usually don't double up on when they're cooling, but these were already cold, so I went and normally you just kind of lay them out flat, and then so you lay them out flat. These are a little warm, so I'm going to pull them up because you see how they're sticking, and they're trying to stick on the other cookies, so you kind of want to, yeah, they will stick. So you want to remove your cookies right away because it'll continue baking on the sheet. So take those cookies off right away, and then and these cookies, you can tell I added some soaked raisins. They're soaked in Grand Marnier. That's one of my favorites. You can soak them in rum. You can soak them in brandy. I would do brandy, or I like the Grand Marnier because it has that orange flavor in them. So it kind of brings them a nice little flavor. These came out really well. Instead of using shortening, I use the butter. And it doesn't have much butter. I mean, it only has like 4 ounces with the whole. So the cookies should be really soft. And this one's a little bit scorched because I didn't double pan, and that's what happens. But that's okay. They're still delicious. And I baked them about 25 degrees lower because depending on your oven, sometimes the oven can be a little hotter than normal. So I wanted to show you this really quick, these cookies, and I'm going to sprinkle them, dust them with powdered sugar, and then I'm just going to layer them nice and neatly in this little bowl, and that way the family can enjoy them. And you can wrap them, you can decorate it if you want. I'll probably just put some saran on there. So okay, just wanted to show you that real quick. These are my persimmon cookies, and happy holidays to you. Okay.